everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane, this is my jam. Just have a quick unboxing for you today. Just two things I got in, but I thought they were pretty cool. So I just wanted to unbox them. I've not checked them out yet myself. I just opened the boxes, so I'm not opening the boxes in front of you guys. So the first thing is from Fashionphile. When I got it, I was thinking, oh, I'm not going to get one of the calendars, but because of the size of the box. But all of a sudden, I opened it up, and wouldn't you know it, the calendars are mini. I didn't know that, so I'm really excited. I got myself my little Fashionphile calendar, so I can't wait to go through that, see everything. Do you guys ever get these and then want to check your birth month? I was born in March. What is this? Rolex, maybe? Maybe that means I should get a Rolex for my birthday. You think? No, maybe someday. But no. You got the fun little confetti. I got the little file. And I am going to say that this purchase is from a brand I only have one other thing from. And I only have it because it's part of another thing. I was heavily influenced to buy this after watching Caleb Snell. I think that's his name. He seems like a relatively new channel, but he absolutely adores Balenciaga. And he got me looking at more and more of their items and some of their bags. And then I know Minnie from Minx from All also has gotten some Balenciaga items. So I decided that I wanted a Balenciaga item, and I just wanted to start small. The only other thing I have is from the Hacker Project, and that is a Gucci Balenciaga, well, I guess I have two things. I have a wallet and a little card holder, but this is straight Balenciaga. Came with the box, and I saw this, and I saw it the night it came out. It probably hadn't been out an hour maybe or so, and I had to have it. I just loved it. I got a little Balenciaga card holder. It does come with the original bag. Looks like there's a little tag thing in there too that now I can't get out as I try to. Controlado. But this red, I just fell in love with it. So it's just this nice soft card holder. Got one card slot in the back here, one in the middle, and then one up here. Got the little zipper here. Don't think it's functional. Oh, it's functional. I don't know what you'd put in a pill. You had to have like a pill that you needed for the day. Yeah, I just thought this was so cute, and I fell in love with the color. So this is my first sole Balenciaga item. So I just wanted to show you that. It's really soft. The leather's nice. It was listed as in, I think it was excellent condition. It's awesome. I love it. I'll be cutting the tags off of this baby after I get done. It's got the gold hardware, so there's that. And then the next thing I got, again, was kind of a heavily influenced thing, somewhat. I have been watching a lot of Winnie BLV, and I watched some Amber. Is that her name? Amber? No, I'm drawing total blank here. But anyway, I watch a few different people, and they have been all about the long chomp lately, and so I've been looking and trying to find. So I have a backpack, but I wanted something else, and then I saw this, and I am like, oh my gosh, I love this. I wanted something like this in a more expensive bag. Again, I think it was it Minx for All that just got a Louis bag similar to this, or to what I think this is going to be. So I got this from Saks, and I got this adorable little Longchamp bag. It's got like the raffia stuff there, and it's just this is embroidered, and it's got the green leather, and it comes with a strap. The strap is not adjustable, which isn't a big deal to me. And then here's just the nice canvas interior. So yeah, I saw this and I fell in love. It was like, maybe around $100. And I thought it was awesome. Interesting. Here it closes together like that, so you can close it. But how cute is this? Oh, that's got the power, huh? How cute is this for a cute little summer bag? And instead of paying, you know, a couple $1,000, it's just the cutest little Longchamp little tote. So, I don't have anything right now I can compare it to, but, yeah, I just think it's really cute, and, I am glad I have it. And I thought I'd show it right away because I think it's pretty new. So I thought in case some people want to see it, I think it comes in with red as well. And yeah, so those are my two things. Just a quick little haul. Wanted to show you and wanted to let you know about the Longchamp in case anybody else is interested in getting this cute little bag for summer. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until then, I would say please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And thanks for watching. Bye.